Arizona, land of snowbirds and the Grand Canyon, retirees and ATVs, is rapidly gaining a reputation of an entirely different sort. It's becoming an epicenter of electric vehicles and self-driving tech, as well as a new surge in semiconductor manufacturing as the U.S. tries to address the worldwide chip shortage.
I would say Arizona is the semiconductor capital of the world. This is going to be the hub. Intel's $20 billion investment in Arizona, building 2 new fabs. And Taiwan Semi is something that I don't think has gotten the attention it deserves.
Taiwan Semiconductor, or TSMC, is indeed building a $12 billion chip manufacturing plant in Phoenix. Tesla rival Lucid Motors built a brand new electric vehicle factory in the state, along with Nikola and Electromechanica. And Waymo's fully driverless rides are now available to the public in Arizona only.
It's the cost of living. It is the great environment. People love it. People love to be in Arizona, and I think that also helped us to attract talent all over the place.
In 2020, Phoenix attracted more residents than any other U.S. city for the 4th year in a row. 634 companies relocated or expanded in Arizona between 2015 and 2020, creating 13,000 jobs in manufacturing alone. We headed to the desert to ask the governor, big companies, and those living amidst the boom, how is it changing the state, and why Arizona? The 6th largest state by area, Arizona first became well known when a major mine opened there in 1854, and copper mining remained its primary industry for nearly a century. Slow to grow, it became the 48th state in 1912 and didn't experience a population boom until after World War II, when air conditioning became widely available. Phoenix has been growing ever since, now surrounded by a vast sprawl of suburbs and agriculture.
Everybody knows the 5 C's of Arizona: copper, cattle, cotton, climate, and citrus. I think you could add 2, maybe 3 additional C's. You've got chips, you've got electric cars, and you've always had construction as well.